Okay, so now that I have successfully joined the class, I can see that it's listed on the left-hand side over here, and I have assignments. So I can view both the active assignments, the ones that are upcoming or pending, and I can also view past assignments if I have any. So to start an assignment, all I have to do is press start. So this first day here, we're going to be doing a pre-assessment. So you just need to take these quizzes one time. So you're going to press start, and we're not really concerned with the score for the time being. So we're just using these as a pre-assessment to see where we're at. So you can press start, and we're going to say let's go. And then we have our quizzes. So it's we're just having multiple choice questions we're going to answer and go through. Okay. So you want to work your way through this and do each one basically for this first round here. So when you finish, it'll give you your score, and it'll show you what you scored on the different parts. Okay, so at this point, you just want to complete those one time. The easiest way to go back and forth between these, so this is going to show you all the content here. So I would just go back to that original start page so you can see what is actually being assigned to you. So I'd click back on this Khan Academy, and then just do the things that are assigned for you. We'll work through the rest of the lessons as we need to. So you press start again, and then it will take you to the part where you're actually assigned. Okay, so make sure that you're actually clicking on those buttons to get to the assigned lessons. Okay, so like if I finish that one, I just want to kind of keep going back and forth between that. So I don't need to do anything extra. I just need to do what's assigned to me.